Hello everyone, I am Mazlan from Apex Knowledge. Okay, the creation of a class on Turnitin system is the first step in allowing an instructor and students to access and use the services available at the institution. Most instructor and student activity on Turnitin occurs within the class or classes created by an instructor. The class is used by the instructor to organize students and student submissions into groups. A class and its assignments are fully available to the instructor between the date of the class creation and the selected expiration date. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a class. Okay, so once you log in to your Turnitin account as instructor, okay, so you can see your instructor homepage. Okay, so you can see the institution name and then you can see on the right here, add class button. So you click on the add class button on your instructor homepage. And then you can see create a new class page. Okay, you can see class settings. Okay, so the first one, class type. When you click on the drop down menu, you can see two types of classes, standard class and master class. Okay, master class, it doesn't mean that for your postgraduate students. Okay, you will only need to use master class when you have a group of tutor under you. Okay, you have the teaching assistant under you. And then at the same time, you want to have the full access to each of your tutor classes. So for normal submission, we use standard class. So for standard class, you will log into your own account and you will have access to your students only. Okay, you won't have access to any other people classes. Okay, so for this video, I will go through the standard class first. Okay, so for the master class, I will share on the next videos. Okay, right, and then next, the class name, that will be your subject name or subject code. Okay, for example, I put here MGM 3211 Marketing Management. Okay, you can also put semester, you can put year, it's up to you. Okay, and then next, the enrollment key. Enrollment key is the key for you to provide to your students in order for students to enroll under your class and start submit paper. Okay, maybe you can put the course code here, MGM3211, or you can put something simple like password, ABC123, it's up to you. Okay, and then next, the subject area and student level. So you can choose your subject area and the students level. Okay, and then next, the class end date. So you can select the end date for the class. Okay, so once the end date has passed, the class will not be accessible for submissions unless the class is reactivated. Once a class has expired, the information and assignments in the class are viewable, but no new submissions or assignments may be made. Okay, but the instructors is capable of extending the expired class to reactivate it. Okay, so you choose your class end date. By default, the setting is 6 months. So anything longer or shorter than 6 months, you can change accordingly. Okay, you can change accordingly. And then you can click submit to add the class. So class information will be displayed in a pop-up window containing the ID and enrollment key for confirmation. So every time when you create a new class, this window will pop up. Okay. they will tell you that you have just created the new class. For example, I created MGM 3211 Marketing Management, SEM 1 2021 with the class ID and enrollment key. So the enrollment key is the key that you have set just now on your class settings. And the class ID is automatically generated from Turnitin system. So as an instructor, you have to provide your students with this information, the class ID and enrollment key, in order for students to enroll in your class and start submit paper. Okay, so you should not share your enrollment key publicly outside of your institution, because with the class ID and key, anyone at any institution will be able to join your class. Okay. All right. So we recommend creating new classes each year, ensuring that inactive students from previous years are not counted against your students limit, or causing an increasing build-up of students which can impact the class performance. So new classes should be created each semester or school year when a new group of students in a course. Okay, so as you can see, I just created one class, MGM 3211 Marketing Management, SEM 1 2021. Okay, and then the class ID to the left of your class name. So if you've forgotten your class ID, you can always refer to the left of your class name. So this is your class ID. Okay. And then as I mentioned, you can reactivate the class if the class has expired. What you can do, you can click on edit button here. So when you click, it will brings you to the earlier page. So you can see your enrollment key is here, or you can change your class and date, and then you can click submit. Okay, so that's all for my sharing this time. I will share the step-by-step guide on the description. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions on the comment. Okay, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel for more tutorial videos for Turnitin. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.